Okay, so this video we're gonna show you how to remove the screen the right way. Most kits that they send you in the mail only have this kind of thing, a suction cup, and for most people like myself, these never work. They don't hold on good enough, so we have to find a different way to do this. So the first step is, let's remove these two screws right here. You're gonna loosen them. It's best to use a magnetic screwdriver. The screws are pretty small. So after removing the two screws, how to get this up? Well, like I said, most kits they'll include this, but like I'll show you right now, they usually don't work too good. So in my other video I showed you can kind of put this in just to, kind of force it up, but then you're gonna get the damage right here. You can see the small damage. So if you don't want this damage, like I did in my last video, I'll show you a better way to do it. So basic tools: the 5-point star bit tool, and we're gonna use tweezers. It's kind of bent old tweezers. And most importantly, we're going to have a Red Bull first. So let me get started with this one. Okay. So we're going to put this in the hole. This is kind of bent. First, when we put it in the hole, just kind of push up a little bit. As you can see, it comes up a little bit more, but not all the way. So after you push up that first time, we're going to go behind the frame. You can kind of see inside, and that's where we're really gonna push. Now when you kind of get back there, you can see it's opening up a little bit like that. I'm just going to hold it with my finger for a second, get the pick tool that they actually included in the kit, and just kind of, let's pull the camera out a little bit, and just kind of wedge it in there. It can be a little bit tight, and you don't want to break anything. So you want to be careful when getting this out. Now let me show you what the frame looks like and what we are pushing on. So if you can see these two, these are what was inside, and they're perfectly aligned to the holes. So the first time that we put it in, we're just pushing it up a little bit. The second time, we're actually going behind that area right here to get to push it up fully. So after that, then you can remove your screen just fine and without any damage to this lower part. Also, something to keep in mind is, as you can see, all the dirt over here, it's recommended that you clean all this crap off. It'll fit in much better.